You can let Moo go for a ride. Here, let Moo go. Go, Moo, ride. No. Go. Put Moo in there. Put Moo. Yeah, let Moo go for a ride. Yay! Moo's going for a ride. So look, bye, Moo. Go get him. Yay. Put him back in there. Okay. Now move your leg. So Moo can go. There. Yay. What are you doing? Kiss Moo. Okay, send Moo off now. Say bye-bye. Bye, Moo. Yay. Okay, go. Bye. Let him go. Look, you're hurting Moo. Moo's all over the place. There. You're trying to figure it out, honey. Put it in. Here. There. No, you don't want Mommy to help. I'm sorry. Okay, there. There, Moo's in. Okay, let Moo go. Let Moo go. What are you doing? Yay, yay. Take him out. Oh, you're so silly. Okay. Let him go.